the arrow, and these are the knocks, and this is the knock point, right? And this is the arrow rest. You insert the bow to the knock point until it clicks, and you will really need this to hold on to the string, because it gets really tight and it gets really painful after a few shots already. So then you have this leather here, and you have to have your hand this straight, and it has to be at the jawline here when you pull the string. That's how difficult it is. You know, it only looks easy, but it's not easy. So, wish me luck.
Good luck!